The best 17-inch laptops are ideal for desktop replacement that not only has the screen for gaming and content creation, but they also have a large chassis to allow for proper ventilation and powerful internal specs. A bigger screen can make the visuals more intense for the gamer, and those who use their laptops for work can enjoy a larger keyboard for more comfortable typing. The benefits of a larger laptop are seemingly endless. So, to help you find the right 17-inch laptop for your need, we have compiled a list of 7 best 17-inch laptops you can get in 2020. We have made this list based on our personal opinion and listed them based on the price, quality, durability, features, and more. Check out the description below to find more about the products. So, without further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 7, we have Lenovo IdeaPad L340, a mid-range gaming laptop that looks good and plays fairly well. Powered by 9th-gen Intel Core i7 processor combined with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, you will experience a decent gaming performance. On the storage front, it comes with up to 1TB of SSD storage, so you can outshoot anyone with the faster startup times and quicker game launches. It features a 17.3-inch FHD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels that makes the gaming experience vibrant and true to life. With rapid charge technology and a powerful battery, the IdeaPad will give you up to 9 hours of runtime. It comes with a good keyboard, and you'll find 3 USB ports, an HDMI output, a combo audio jack for connectivity. With decent gaming performance in a 17-inch display at an affordable price makes it place the number 7 position on our list. And if you're looking out for a laptop for minimal graphical work and gaming that will not break your budget, then the IdeaPad L340 Gaming might seem like a pretty tempting choice. Next up on number 6, we have the Asus ROG Zephyrus SGX 701, designed for gamers who don't want to sacrifice performance for portability. Equipped with a powerful 10th-gen Core i7 processor, 48GB of DDR4 memory, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super graphics card, this laptop is built to deliver exceptional performance with minimal load times. It is also packed with up to 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD storage for storing your favorite games and files. The bright 17.3-inch 1920 by 1080 FHD resolution has a 300Hz refresh rate and supports NVIDIA G-Sync technology for incredibly smooth visuals in fast-paced shooting games and will last for up to 3 hours on continuous gaming. It comes with a full desktop-style keyboard with perky RGB LED backlighting, and for connectivity, it features a Thunderbolt 3 with 3 USB 3.2 for faster transfer files. It packs amazing features on a thin body and is the lightest gaming laptop on our list, thus taking the 6th spot on our list. Overall, with the latest and most powerful gaming technology, along with an impressively thin and light design, the Asus ROG Zephyrus SGX 701 is easily one of the best lightweight gaming laptops you can get today. Coming at number 5, we have the MSI GT76 Titan 10SGS. MSI's new GT76 Titan 10SGS gaming laptop is a refresh both inside and out, with powerful new specs from Intel and NVIDIA, as well as a few small and long-awaited adjustments to the chassis design. infused with up to 5.3 GHz 10th-gen Intel Core i9 processor, along with up to 128GB DDR4 RAM and GeForce RTX 2080 Super, this laptop was forced to obliterate your games without having any single issue. It's also equipped with up to 2TB of NVMe PCIe M.2 SSD for storage and quick loading times. This fantastic laptop comes with a 17.3-inch FHD IPS display that features a fast 300Hz refresh rate or 4K display, making it ideal for fast-paced shooting games, and with its 90Wh battery, it will give you up to 4 hours of non-stop gaming. For cooling, it comes with 4 fans, 11 heat pipes, and hefty heat sinks to help offset the heat generated by components even if you choose to overclock. It features MSI Mystic Light RGB lighting and comes with a pre-key RGB gaming keyboard for the next level gaming experience. With a desktop class processor and a comfortable RGB keyboard, this powerful gaming laptop has taken our number 5 position on this list. Overall, the MSI GT76 Titan 10 SGS is a powerful gaming laptop that cuts no corners, perfect for players who like to game while on the go. Next up at number 4, we have the LG Gram 17 that has a brilliant lightweight design, making it the lightest 17-inch business laptop on the planet, built to increase your productivity. Powered by Intel's latest 10th-gen processor, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, along with Irish Plus graphics, this laptop is powerful enough to boost up your productivity. Equipped with 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, it offers faster app loading and generous storage for all of your applications, files, photos, and movies. The laptop features a 17-inch IPS display that delivers 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio, allowing you to see more information without scrolling much, and with its 80Wh battery, you will get up to 17 hours of battery life, so you can spend more time and get your jobs done. For faster file transferring, it features Thunderbolt 3 along with 3 USB ports and comes with a full-size backlit keyboard. Weighing less than 3 pounds, this compact and lightweight laptop is easy to carry and move around, and that is why we've put it on number 4 on our list. The LG Gram 17 laptop is loved for its ultra-slim and lightweight design, which makes it the ideal laptop for an on-the-go businessman. Coming up at number 3, we have the Dell Alienware Area 51M, which comes with high-grade graphics and processing power for gaming and multitasking, plus improved thermal cooling for overall performance and stability. With specs like 9th-gen Intel Core i9 processor, 64GB of DDR4 RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card, the Alienware Area 51 can even rival some desktop systems. It is also equipped with up to 2TB of NVMe PCIe M.2 SSD for storing your games and quick loading times. The 17.3-inch FHD display is built with an IPS panel and features a fast 144Hz refresh rate that is ideal for fast-paced gaming. With powerful specs and a 17-inch screen, its 90Wh battery will last up to 3 hours on continuous gaming. For keeping this beast cool, it comes with a dual fan design that pulls in cold air from the bottom and top vents while exhaling exhaust out the rear and side vents for optimal core component cooling. Amazingly, you can upgrade both the CPU and GPU according to your needs, which is hard to find in a laptop, and that is why it takes the 3rd position on our list. Overall, the Alienware Area 51M offers unparalleled power in a sleek, redesigned chassis with the option to upgrade, making it one of the best options for gaming. Next up at number 2, we have the ROG 17 HDR, a powerful laptop that combines great performance with a narrow bezel IPS panel and an extended lifespan. Equipped with a powerful 10th-gen Intel Core i9 processor along with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super Max-Q graphics card, this powerful laptop will provide you the performance you need to run your favorite games and 3D graphical works with ease. Featuring a 17.3-inch 4K HDR display with 3mm ultra-thin bezel and Adobe RGB 100% color gamut, the ROG 17 delivers more accurate colors. It has a powerful 94Wh battery that will give you up to 8 hours of runtime and will keep you out of tension. It comes with GIGABYTE Fusion RGB per key backlit keyboard, and it comes with Thunderbolt 3 port for faster file transferring. With great features along with 4K HDR display, this laptop is one of the best 17-inch HDR supported laptops on the market, and that is the reason we've put it on the second position on our list. And if you are looking for an HDR supported 17-inch laptop for both gaming and graphical works, then the ROG 17 is an absolute choice for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the RAZER Blade Pro 17. RAZER has been putting out large, powerful laptops for several years and continues to make its range-topping RAZER Blade Pro better and better. Whether you are a professional creator or a gamer, the Blade Pro is a beastly 17-inch laptop that will fulfill your needs. With this powerful laptop, you are getting a 10th-gen Intel Core i7 processor. You're getting a 64GB of RAM paired with an NVIDIA RTX 2070 or 2080 Super Max-Q GPU that will make it both a gaming laptop and on-the-go workstation. It comes with up to 2TB of M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD, so you will get plenty of storage for your essential files. Made with CNC aluminum, it ships with either a 1080p 300Hz or a stunning 4K 120Hz touch panel along with 100% Adobe RGB, which offers rich color and sharp contrast, making both editing and gaming a pleasurable experience. For cooling, it features a vapor chamber that makes it cool and easy to operate, and it comes with a 70.5Wh battery that will give you up to 5 hours of runtime on a heavy workload. Its backlight keyboard features RAZER Chroma RGB lighting, and for connectivity, it features 4 USB 3.2 ports along with a Thunderbolt 3 port. With its powerful features and lightweight design, it easily took the number 1 spot on our list. Overall, if you are looking for an elegant laptop that can seamlessly switch from work to play, then the RAZER Blade Pro 17 is the best choice for you. So that was all about the 7 best 17-inch laptops for you. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.